Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can delete your EA account or Electronic Art account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser that is convenient to you. Now as for this video, I'm using Google. Now as you open the web browser, right on top you can see a search box. Type in www.ea.com/ and about the link you can find it on my description box. So as you can see, as I enter the link on the other page, I will land inside the profile page, and here you can see that I'm already logged in. Now on the profile page, just simply scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom there is an option called help, so tap on it. So as soon as I tap on help, on the other page I land inside support center. Now on the top left corner you can see there is a search box, so type in delete my account. So as I type in, on the other page you can see there is a whole page of article, and right in between you can see on the first tab there is how can I close my EA account, so tap on it. Now in case if you want to go through it, you can do that, or else you can just simply scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you can see there is ready to deactivate or delete your account. Now all you have to do is tap on contact us in the bottom left corner. So on the other page you'll land inside case information. Now on this following page, slightly scroll down, and right in between you can see a search box, so type in origin. Now as you type in origin, right at the bottom there is a result, so you'll have to tap on origin, which is right in center. So next you'll have to select a device. So in case if you're using Windows, so you'll have to tap on PC, and in case if you're using Mac, so you'll have to tap on Mac. Now once you're done selecting your device, on the other page you can see there is select topic. Now from here you'll have to select a topic, so what you have to do is you'll have to tap on manage my account, which is right in the corner. So once you tap on manage my account, the page expands. So next, on the other step, you'll have to select an issue. Now right over here, as we are deleting our account, so you'll have to tap on delete account. So as you tap on delete account, scroll down, and in the bottom left corner you can see select contact option, tap on it. So next you'll have to provide your information that is associated with your EA account. Now enter the correct information. So as you're done entering your information, tap on next in the bottom left corner. So once you enter your correct information, on the other page you will land inside recommended support option. Now on this page, slightly scroll down. Now what you have to do is you'll have to enter your request or your issue. So as we are deleting account, so what you have to do is you'll have to enter delete account request. Now in case if you have a file or a folder that solves the problem, so you can attach it right over here. And in case if you don't have it, then simply leave it blank and then scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on request live chat. Now as you can see on the other side there is a live chat. So what you have to do is you'll have to answer exactly what they're asking for. So then type in your message. Now as you can see that my deletion request has been submitted, and all you have to do is wait patiently for them to look into your matter and then delete your account. That is how you can delete your EA account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.